Hello, beautiful souls. There's a special beauty in introspection, a grace in the journey of self-discovery. I stand beside you now, not as a guide, but as a fellow traveler on this voyage into the profound depths of our beings. Together, we will approach the precipice of a world within us, as expansive and breathtaking as the cosmos above. Just like diverse landscapes, each of us carries a unique internal cosmos, colored with dreams, memories, thoughts, and emotions. We often get lost in the maze of our own minds, forgetting the essence of our being. We become entangled in a dance with our fears, our hopes, our past, and our future. But what if we could break free from these intricate patterns? What if we could simply be free, joyous, and present in each moment? This is the journey we embark upon today, a voyage through the profound wisdom of Michael Allen Singer's The Untethered Soul. In this amazing book, Singer draws our attention to the concept of self, asking who we truly are beneath layers of identity, circumstance, and perception. Take a deep breath, dear friends, and feel the calmness fill your being. Allow the walls around your heart to crumble and let your mind's armor soften. Open your spirit like a blooming flower welcoming the sunrise. Let's embark on this incredible journey and explore the profound depths of our existence together. Who are you? This question calls not for the recitation of your name, your profession, or the roles you play in the grand theatre of life. Rather, it's an invitation to delve deeper, to peel away the layers of societal expectations and self-imposed definitions. Beneath these facades, who are you? Are you not an effervescent soul, an untamed river of consciousness, a timeless melody in the symphony of existence? Are you not an artist, painting strokes of joy and sorrow on the canvas of life, a celestial body radiating light even in the darkest night? Who are you, dear soul, when stripped bare of all pretenses and perceptions? In the silent echoes of your heart, in the unspoken whispers of your spirit, you will find that you are not a mere drop in the ocean, but the entire ocean in a drop. You are the universe experiencing itself unfolding in an eternal dance of love, growth, and freedom. Most of us wander through life ensnared in the web of our thoughts, entrapped in an incessant dialogue that seems to define our existence. We end up believing we are the marionettes of our minds, dictated by the capricious whims of our mental chatter. Yet, Singer's wisdom invites us to rise above this tumultuous storm. Imagine, if you will, a bird soaring above the clouds, leaving the chaos of the world below. This is the vantage point we must seek, one of observation rather than entanglement. As we learn to watch our thoughts, like a spectator to a passing parade, we find that we are not the playthings of our mind. Rather, we are the grand stage on which the mind performs, the tranquil sky against which the clouds of thought drift. By observing, not becoming, we unshackle ourselves from the fetters of mental chatter, stepping into the realm of profound peace and understanding. This shift, this transition from the thinking self to the observing self, is a journey towards inner freedom. It liberates us from our past, from our fears, from the shackles of our own thoughts. The untethered soul does not recoil from life's pain or cling to fleeting pleasures. It acknowledges each moment, each emotion with open-hearted awareness. It soars with courage, curiosity, and compassion, exploring the vast skies of consciousness. Yet what does this freedom entail? It's not an escape from our problems, but a transformation of our relationship with them. By allowing life's ups and downs to flow through us, unimpeded, we become conduits of experiences, not reservoirs of resentment or regret. By embracing the energy of the universe, unfiltered and unafraid, we find the serenity to be our authentic selves. This is the path that Singer illuminates, a path to unfettered joy, boundless love, and true inner peace. As our journey together draws to a close, remember that the exploration of your soul, your true self, never truly ends. It's an ongoing dance, a delicate ballet, a melody that plays out over the course of our lives. As you step back into the clamor of life, I implore you to carry this wisdom in your heart. Let it be your compass, guiding you towards an open, loving, and untethered existence. Observe your thoughts, your emotions, as they ebb and flow. Experience them, but do not let them define you. Embrace the boundless energy of the universe, letting it flow through you, untamed and unimpeded. In the magnificent words of Michael Singer, "You are the one who sees. From back in here somewhere, you look out and experience the image of the world. Keep seeing, keep experiencing, and keep discovering the wonder of you." As our shared journey draws to a close, I extend my gratitude for your companionship along this path of self-discovery. May the seeds of wisdom planted today bloom in the gardens of your hearts. Thank you, radiant souls, for being a part of this voyage and for the gift of your time.